I'm sorry. Good morning,
guys.
Good morning, guys. It's me, Jayla.
And it's me, Shanaine. Joke. I'm not Shanaine. I'm Janine.
Wow, it's a joke. This is Smile. Welcome to Smile and welcome to Smile. Please,
Like, share, and subscribe our new video for the new tournament. Okay. Bye.
No, that's not. Let's go to here. I will already do it.
You jump there. Hey, look at here.
Oh, it's
Jayla.
So nice.
She's having fun.
So nice.
It's my turn. Come here. You take the video.
Johnny's turn, okay? Fine.
Hi guys, we're having fun here today. Okay, it's time. Okay, we have to say goodbye.
No. Let's go here. Let's go here. This is Santa Niña. That is Santa Niña, and this is a gift for my Lala. This is a horse. Like this.
I'm here, Jayla.
This one.
Jayla.
So nice. Okay. Okay. Then this is a clock. Gift for my Lola again. This is a clock, and this is this one. This.
Hey,
and this is a clock. Okay.
Jayla.
And okay, wait. This is a TV. Gift for my auntie. And this is a hi.
This lipstick.
It's me too. This is a lipstick. Gift for my auntie. Let's go
Let's
here.
drink water.
Yeah, drink water. Let's go here. This is a makeover. Here. This is a makeover. This is a lipstick, and this is a pencil for. This is a alcohol for the hands, and this is a off for the body. This is a off for the body, and this is a Eskinol for my auntie, and this is a little cutter. This one. This is a nail cutter, so nice, and this is a perfume gift for my auntie Saripa. This is for my auntie. This is not mine. And this is a off for my cousins. This is off for my cousins, and this is a cell phone for. This is a cell phone for my auntie, and
Okay, now let's go to the
CR. Okay.
Or what we call bathroom.
Okay. This is a bathroom or CR. This is a Colgate. She have a lights, and this is a Colgate.
Colgate. That's Colgate Plus.
This is a Colgate. This is a toothbrush for my auntie. And this is my toothbrush, and this is a
This is our toilet now.
and this is for my auntie. This is for my auntie Janelle, and this is a trash can for
the garbage.
This is a Hana shampoo, and hey, this is a Hana shampoo. Olay and Breeze and Ariel, and this is a Downy and Surf. Vaseline for short, and this is a Palmolive, so nice and so smooth. Okay, we have to say goodbye
now.
because
It's our
Its
time,
time
now
is
to eat
over.
breakfast,
Breakfast or
lunch,
lunch
and
and dinner.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye. Next time again.